Today in this video I am going to show you one of the best indicator that is far better than using the normal support and resistance indicators, and this indicator has a high success rate. If you look on the screen, then you will see its amazing signals, and I will tell you that how you can use this indicator for the maximum benefit in your trading, because this is going to be the very accurate indicator. So before I jump into this video, if you're looking to join the best broker, then I have given the best broker link in the description of this video below. I am using this broker from 2015, and that offers you a variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen. And this broker provides you with the MT4 and MT5 trading accounts, and this is one of the regulated brokers. And the good thing, the deposits and the withdrawals are quite instant. So please find the broker link in the description of this video below. Okay, now when we talk about this indicator, this is highly specialized, because you can see we have the buy signal from here, sell signal from here, sell from here, buy from here. So at least this indicator is providing us with the great scalping chances. Yes guys, this is quite possible. Right now you can see on the USD CHF the price is pumping up. You can see we have the buy signal. So let's try this indicator from the indicator section. So all we just need is to go to the indicator section, and here we need to write CAP dot America. Okay, so when you will write CAP not full captain but CAP dot America, then this indicator will come, that is called Captain dot America Shield. And when you will apply this indicator, it will be visible on your screen. Okay, now the interesting part of this indicator is like how you can trade this indicator. The first function of this indicator is like when it will provide you a sell signal from like a purple line. It's a kind of a sell, so you will set up your stop loss at the top here at the previous high, and now you can take your entry, and it has provided you a scalping chance. You can target 2 to 3 candles. Okay, now what happens when the price comes down? Okay, so we have the green line. So this is the normal resistance. Okay, so my advice is to not to buy this buy any pair when the market reaches to the normal resistance. When it creates another when it creates another sports, go for a buy position, and you can see price is up, and then you can see we have the first selling resistance, then the price is down. Okay, so you can see another the support comes after it, so you can buy from here as well. Okay, now if we look at that scenario, you can see that the price is down. It make the green line. We have the buy signal, the price is up. Okay, and now you can see the market has almost reached to the to kind of a resistance level. So now you can wait here. Okay, let's have a look on gold, how it is performing. Okay, if we look at here on the gold, we have a buy signal, went super fine, buy signal, went super fine, buy. So if you are just looking for the scalping, then these are the against the trend signal. But if you want to follow with the trend, so for example, if I ask you what is the trend going on gold 5-minute, this is the downtrend. Now in the downtrend, you can take your selling chances from the red lines. Okay, so for sell, and you can see you must be in very good profit. Okay, so you can use this indicator on any time frame. This is not limited to 5-minute. You can use any time frame, and the best is to use this indicator with the trend. The trends are very important. Like if I ask you for the trend on AUD JPY 15 minutes, it's a completely uptrend. Okay, so take your buying chances at the lower side. So for example, the price is pumping down, when it will come down and you get any good signal from this indicator, then you can go and trust that one. Okay, so for example, the trend is down, so the price is more likely to get a rejection from this red level. Okay, so go with the flow of the market. However, this indicator is also good if you are going to do against the trend scalping, but here you need to always always take care of the stop losses, because stop losses are very important. And if you will not take care of your stop losses, then it means that you are going to blow your account. So be careful about it. Okay guys, moreover, I will say that if you're looking for my premium indicators, then please join the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description of this video below. If you want the 1-hour market maker session with me, there is nothing best than the market maker session. Please find all details regarding to the market maker session in the pinned message that I have delivered in the Telegram channel, and you can book your session with me for tomorrow. So guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? You can like this strategy, you can share this strategy, and please follow the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.